Hello, beautiful people. Here, Francesca from this amazing place. Hola, gente linda. Gorgeous forest. Today, raining leaves because we have this wind, amazing, powerful wind. And so we see how we have so many leaves in the floor. It's so magical, so beautiful. And why not energizing your day with this beautiful forest and two other questions for you. So many people ask me, okay, what is energizing? And this is as simple as changing perception, changing your state, and changing your questions. So many times we always find asking ourselves the wrong questions, and we are looking for the things that we're lacking, the things that they're doing wrong. And today the invitation to energize your day is to ask yourself, what is the right in me that I cannot see right now because I have this foggy mind or I have these anxiety problems that they're not allowing me to see right my inner nature, my answers. And that's very unique for you, because when we talk about process, everybody lives a different process, right? Everybody has a different movie in their minds. So that's why it's so important to always realign yourself with your nature, with your unique nature. So the two questions are, one is, how can I see differently today? How can I see this situation differently? How can I see this person in a different way? Or this experience, or this opportunity, or this obstacle? So that's question number one. Think about that. Look, there are coming some leaves. And question number two, to keep this video to 3 minutes, is what is the right in me that I don't see in this situation? Because everybody has their own answers. Everybody has their own tapping into that power of knowing what to do in different circumstances, but we're not able to see clearly. So what is the right in me that I don't see in this obstacle, in this situation? So that way, my friends, you can keep energizing your day. Hopefully you love my enchanted forest today. So beautiful. I cannot go from here. It's so wonderful. And it's 22 degrees. So from here, I said to you, I love you. Thanks for watching. It's always my pleasure to energize your day. I'm doing more tools, more videos, more audios to keep your mind exercising from the inside out. So keep yourself around me, please. If you want to sign for my list, just go to energizing.com. There is a free download for you, and I cannot wait to hear from you, to energize more your process, your transitions, your moment that you just need. Sometimes it's just a hand to keep you going, to keep you pushing a little bit more, a cheerleader in your corner. Well, that's your coach, Fran. Thanks for watching, and I love you.